Okay, so here is the SSC P7 flashlight that does not work. Here is the voltmeter and here is the amperage meter. This flashlight is powered by this machine. So the lowest power, it takes 0.15 amperes, and the flashing power 2 amperes, and second flashing power, well, it doesn't work too well, and here's the biggest power, 3.03 amperes, 7.3 volts. I can increase the amperage setting to 4 amperes, and you can see that it takes over 4 amperes. So basically it's short circuited. This is limited to 4 amperes and it could take even more.